Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds INFINIX Buds Neo on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store. Now go to the search at the bottom and then click the search line at the top. Now write Relive and search. And you need to install the application what's called Relive. Now open it. Agree. Add device. It's up to you, so if you need to use a location, click while using the app, or maybe only this time, or do not allow if you don't need it. Right here you need to click allow to add these earbuds then. And that's it. In the next video I will show you how to add these earbuds to the application. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!